So what I was trying to do was, again, stand out. And I want to piggyback off what you said, Mike, is, since your brand is marketing you and you have a bunch of noise and it's just kind of like a congested, real estate is congested. So you have to stand out from the crowd. And I was thinking, okay, so if I want to be the real estate advocate, I need to just start from scratch. I want to be Latashia. I don't want necessarily want to, be whichever company that I'm with. And so I dig deep and I just did some research and I really wanted to be uniform with colors, fonts. And as you can see, so you have the black and white logo. And then if you look at my IG, I'm just uniform and I'm consistent with the black and whites. And then, what, for instance, freedom lies in being bold. That's me. That's how I feel. Heads up, you're gorgeous, right? So that's a part of me too, along with just some pictures of, some fantasy places or some vacation places that I would like to go to. So yeah, I just wanted to dig deep and really just show the world who I was. And I thank Radius for allowing me to bring me into the table in terms of my brand.